Start. The finance minister repeated that the reduction in corporate tax was done after considering the international scenario and for attracting foreign investment. Stop. This is only in developing countries. Stop. Next year, some countries are ready to reduce the corporate tax to 20%. Stop. The result is this country would become a tax haven. Stop. India should take the leadership against these types of policies, reducing the corporate tax, looking to the developed countries. Stop. Why are these developing countries competing for giving more concessions? Stop. We have a very good tradition in the international scenario as the leader of third world countries. Stop. We should take the leadership against this type of decreasing corporate tax for the benefit of the multinational companies and finance capital. Stop era. Sir, if you are looking at the international scenario, why is the minister not ready to increase the direct tax component as per the international scenario? Stop. Why is the government not ready for increasing the tax ratio? Stop. Sir, they are not ready for implementing these types of things because this is in the interest of the common man of this country. This is in the interest of the nation, but it is not in the interest of the corporates. Stop. This corporate tax reduction is to protect the interest of the finance capital. Stop. Sir, actually, the genuine investors are not scared of the tax. Stop. Then why are you trying to give more and more concession than they want? Stop. Stop. Para. Sir, for investment, we always quote the World Bank. Stop. But how can capital come to a country where the communal rights are the order of the day? Stop. How can capital come to a country where ghar wapsi is happening? Stop. How can capital come to a country where the churches are burning every day? Stop. The capital comes to a country where the government itself determines good habits in the society. Stop. This attracts the investment. Stop. Sir, inflow of capital or investment depends upon several factors. Stop. You are giving more and more tax concessions to the corporates. Stop. That is not the right way. Stop. Then what is your tax collection? Stop. It is fallen short by rupees 1 lakh crores from the budget estimates. Stop. But we should consider it. Stop. In addition to this estimate, the government collected more than 25,000 crores of rupees from the people as per the answer given to this house through the hike in the excise duty on petrol, gas and diesel. Stop.